I hope you are safe. I am M. Pavitra from 3rd BCom A, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science, Department of Commerce. The slides are presented by M. Bhanumadi. Human Resource Management. Human Resource Audit. Meaning: the Human Resources Audit is the process of examining policies, procedures, documentation, systems, and practices with respect to an organization's HR functions. The purpose of the audit is to reveal the strengths and weakness in the organization's human resources system and any issues needing resolution. Benefits of HR audit: identification of contributions of HR department helps identify the gaps between the current state and the standard, thereby streamlining HR work processes. Encouragement of greater responsibility and professionalism among HR members. Clarification of HR duties and responsibilities. Stimulation of uniformity of HR policies and practices. Ensuring timely compliance with legal requirements. Reduction of HR through more effective personnel procedures. A thorough review of HR information system. Scope of HR audit: alignment with corporate strategy, managerial compliance, employee satisfaction. Alignment with corporate strategy: HR strategy must be consistent with corporate strategy and continually examined. Managerial compliance: managers must comply with HR policies, procedures, and legal requirements. Employee satisfaction: human resource departments should attempt to meet employee objectives where feasible. Approaches of HR audit: outside authority, statistical, compliance, management by objective, comparative. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.